Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SHMP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the green lines here are coming from. After today's price movement, though, definitely some updates need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is just a little house clean and get rid of that line up there. Sure, that level still pertains, just not relevant right now, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's clutter with lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. First update that needs to be done, though, comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. An absolutely perfect example of that with this one today, you could throw this into a textbook, but the level was broken right there, and at that point is where you would expect it to act as resistance. And then sure enough, later on in the bounce, price got rejected. And then during the final 30 minutes, which I should note, you got to give credit's due. Very nice final 30 minutes for the chart, but still look right where it paused, right at 28 cents. I'm not saying 28 cents can't be broken. I'm just saying it makes sense why the price is now kind of struggling right at that area. In the event the price can break up through 28 cents on Wednesday, the next key level to immediately turn your attention to would be the purple line up there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. Moving meaning as time goes by, that line is going to continue to work its way downwards. So keep an eye on that. But as of right now, one step at a time, one hurdle at a time, and that first hurdle is right there at the 28 cent mark. What about areas of support? Nothing too fancy as far as the buyers. They made themselves pretty apparent right down there at the 25 cent mark. I'm not going to count the number of times, but a whole bunch of times you can see the bears try to press down through there. But to give the bulls credit, the bulls held up very strong, and 25 cents held up. I do want to map out one more area of support, though, in the event 25 cents does not hold up. That next level would be down here at right around the 21 cent mark. So again, 25 does not hold, then 21 would be that next key overall level. So we'll zoom back in here. But yeah, right now, the downtrend continues, but the price did get some good sideways price movement. So we'll see if this is going to be some, lead to some sort of bounce or not tomorrow. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.